Today it's the 19th of September 2022 and we have Puistokaari, Parksvängen, 9 steg steel. We'll start it from the steg steel, we'll go towards the stegs A here. This residential building has 4 staircases. This was built in 1959, probably finished in late 1959 or 60, but we'll check that later. They're 60 years old in 2019 with 5 floors and original. It can be 4 fixtures. The simple says 8194, but the MP6 interior, but only these handles are missing.
Yeah.
Here in Lauttasaari, close to Koivusaari, Björkholmen metro station, and close to Koteahari Venåsen. Here in Helsinki, Helsfors, also in Finland. The simple says 8194. It's going to be inspected in 2024. This has 3 rights. The windows and mechanical fabricators here.
Yeah.
But we need to turn on lights here. Or
They are automatic.
maybe it's broken.
Spektaatpaikkivaisuutta, että me ei teet sillä.
It went on.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stegs C, B, and A in this order. Because we started from D.
Yeah.
Wow, the floor in the kitchen, right?
That's